Hi everyone, this is Jan, and we are back from our summer trip to visit family, and I've also taken a little break from YouTube. Things have gotten crazy on YouTube, and I don't want to be involved. The other thing is, I have decided instead of doing videos every day, I am thinking about doing videos 4 times a week: Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the rest of the time, I'm taking a break, and I'll be able to answer the comments which I have not been able to keep up with. So I'm hoping this works out for all of you too. So we'll see how it goes, and if it doesn't work, we'll make some other plans. See you later.